Where there is a will, there is a way. So if you have any will to learn English, to speak English confidently, this is a class where you can improve your speaking, you can improve your listening, and you can be a fluent English speaker. This is a class where I will teach what is past perfect continuous tense. But before this class, I taught you present tense, and now my topic is past tense. What is past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect? I already taught you in my previous class. This is class number 31. In this class, I will teach you these things. Okay? If you watch this whole class, you can clear about this topic. Okay? So just watch this class so that you can improve your listening as well as your speaking. Okay? So here you can see past perfect continuous. So the structure. When you are learning any tense, you just have to remember the structure. The structure is subject, had plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay. So here you can see past perfect. So first, if I think that past perfect, then I will take the continuous. Okay. So subject plus had. Subject plus had, then been. So here I am counting been as a V3. Okay. So subject plus had plus been. Yeah. So subject plus had plus been. So here is continuous. For continuous, I am using ing. Okay. So anywhere you are just listening that it is continuous tense. It doesn't matter it is present continuous or past continuous or future continuous. If it is a continuous tense, you always take verb ing. Okay. So if is it perfect tense, you always take V3. So here you can see been is accounted for V3. Okay. Now I am going to implement this structure in my sentences. Now I will write lots of sentences which is past perfect continuous. Number 1, suppose I had been. So I had been. I take subject I, then had, then been. So been is always common in number 4, which is present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous or future perfect continuous. Been is always common. Been you must take in this tense. Okay. So I as a subject, had as an auxiliary verb, and been as a V3 here. Then we have verb ing. So I had been reading book. Okay. Then we can use since or for. Since or for. Okay. These two things. We have confusion about these two things. Let's clear this confusion, which is when it indicates number. When it indicates number is equals to 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay. When we can see after since or for number, we will take 4. And when we cannot see any number, we will take since. Okay. Is that clear? Let's take some example so that you can clear. Here, if I write, I had been reading since morning. Okay. So since morning, you can see here since morning. So is that any number? No, it is not any number. That's why I should take since. I should take since. But if I write here not morning, if I write here for 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay. So now I will take 4, not since. Why? Because here 2 is a number. When we can see any number after since or for, we will take 4. We cannot see any number, we will take since. Since morning, since yesterday, since evening, since noon, since afternoon. Like this we can use. But when it is 2 hours, on hours, we will take 4. Yes. Now, if I write another sentence which is you. So with I take had. You can see here is the only one auxiliary verb. So there is no confusion with I, first person, second person or third person. Always you will take had because there is only one auxiliary verb. There is have as, there is nothing about like that. Okay. So you had been is always common when it is perfect continuous tense with both things perfect and continuous. So you had been watching my video, okay, my class, okay. This is real time example for 2 minutes, okay. Why I take for here? What is the reason? The reason is so clear because here is 2 is number. So when we can see any number, we will use for, okay. Like this we can use. Now let's clarify these things, which is person, okay. There are 3 person. Let's remove this text so that you can clear this topic, which is, now I will take person, okay. So now topic is person. Let's know what is person. Person is so clear, okay. Person is so clear. I, look at me, I is the first person, and you, yeah, I'm telling to you, you are the second person, okay. So without me and you, everyone is third person, okay. Without you and me, I is the first person, you is the second person, and everybody, everyone, everything, every place, everything, okay, every substantial is third person, okay. So let's take example which is, okay, number 1, which is first person, okay. First person. First person means I, then I can take me, okay, then my, okay, we. So in we, I am present, yeah, in we I am present, that's why we also first person, our, okay, and us. If you just remember these things, that's this okay, okay, that's okay. That's these all things are called first person. Why? Because everywhere is I present. I present in everywhere. That's why these things are first person. I, me, my, we, our, us. These things are called first person. First person. Now let's go to the second person. Second person. English is so easy if you just do my class with consistency and with attention. That's very important. You, your, and yours. Okay. So these things are called second person. You, yours, and you. Okay. These things, only these things are second person. Second person is so easy. And third person. Third person is too easy, okay. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third person, okay. Third person, without these 2 things, everything is third person. We don't need to learn what is third person because we have already know what is first person and what is second person. Without first person and second person, everything is third person, okay. So I think the person is very clear to all of you, okay. So to learn English, you have to know what is person, first person, second person, and third person, because according to the person, the auxiliary verb can be changed, okay. Suppose if I take, I have completed this work, I have done my work, I have made my video, okay. Now if I take you, or if I take Rohim, so with Rohim, I cannot take have, I have to take has, because Rohim is a third person. So that's why person is so important. Rohim has done his work. Rohim has watched my video. Like this we can say. So that's why tense is also important with person. You have to learn person, then you should learn tense. And person is not a big deal. It is a very simple topic. You can learn it within 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay. So everything is third person without first person and second person, okay. So I think you have cleared about the persons. Now I am going to discuss how you can improve your English. English is not a big deal if you just can practice every day, okay. Just practice every day, you will improve automatically, okay. Automatically, yeah, believe me, if you practice every day, you will improve automatically. Nothing can stop you to speak English. English is so easy. So first you have to do listen, okay. First listen English, okay. Now I am speaking English, you are listening. That is a very good thing that you are doing. You cannot imagine how much beautiful things are doing right now you are. Okay, so first listening, then you have to practice how to speak. Okay, how to speak, you should practice. I'm just following these two things at the first time when you are learning English. Okay. Now you are listening. If you can, please practice with me. Okay. Please practice with me. Repeat the sentences with me. You can see the subtitle here. Just see the subtitle and practice with me so that you can improve your English with me. Okay. And if you have any problem, any confusion, I'm here totally free for you. If you have any confusion, let me know. I will solve that in the next comment, in the next video. Okay. And if you really want to learn English, so remember this line, where there is a will, there is a way. If you have any will, any wish to learn English, to speak English, you can. But you have to practice every day. That is the things. If you look around this world, everywhere is a successful person. And if you read their autobiography, if you read their story, you can learn one thing. The thing is practice. Practice makes perfect. Okay? And if you are doing mistakes, it's not a big deal. If you are doing mistakes, it's not a big deal. You have to just do mistakes and learn with the mistake. Learn with the mistake and you can improve yourself. Okay? When you are learning a thing by the mistake, you are learning that thing strongly. You will never forget that thing. Okay? So, if you really want to learn English, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can get my every video that I'm going to upload in my next days. Okay? And this is class 31. In class 32, I will discuss what is future indefinite tense. Okay? Suppose I will make another video. This is future indefinite tense. I have already said a future indefinite tense. Okay? So future indefinite tense is very, very important. And you will do that class. This is also future indefinite tense. Okay? Like this, we are talking more things about future tense. Future tense is so important as like past, as like present. Okay? So thank you very much. And if you want this type of videos, so please subscribe my channel and share your comment. Don't forget to like it, because if you like my video will show the people who are interested in English. Thank you very much.